What's up? I'm back again here at the Salad Factory. As you can see, Salad Factory there here in Thailand, chilling. You know what I'm saying? Definitely got the kale salad, keeping it healthy. Got to keep it healthy. So yeah, I just wanted to you know, chat it up a little bit. Got the berry, definitely got the mixed berry smoothie going on, you know. So, health and wellness, you know. Just wanted to talk a little bit today about the importance of, you know, just eating healthy and life in general, you know. You know, we all have a short time here on this amazing earth, and you know, to really enjoy it, health is wealth. You know, your health is everything. Without your health, I mean, you really got nothing. So you know, that's why I try to promote eating healthy, exercising, just doing whatever you can to maintain a healthy life. Because, like, I'll just give you a little bit of background about me. You know, diabetes is a very serious thing within my family. My father passed away from diabetes. My grandfather passed away from diabetes. My father's brother passed away from diabetes. So, you know, sugar and junk food, and drinking lots of liquor with mixed sugars and artificials, that stuff is bad for you, and it'll take you out of here before you know it, you know. So you can prevent diabetes. It's something you can do to prevent it. So, you know, eat healthy as much as possible, as often as possible, to avoid it. You know, there's sorry, I have more food coming. Thank you, sir. Yeah. So, yeah, definitely got the steak and vegetables going. So, yeah, so just doing everything I can to continue to eat healthy and enjoy my life, you know, to the max, to the best of my ability. So, I'm eating here today because I was just at another section over here in the mall where I had put like 1,000 baht. I had put like 1,000 baht on the card, and they actually took they took the money. They took the money off the card. I mean, completely after. So I did it about 2 months ago. I put money on this card here. And when I was putting the money on the card, I wasn't aware that I only had 30 days to use the money, but they would just simply take all the money without, you know, notifying me or telling me anything. So I had to come over to this spot because the card that I did have, that I thought I had 1,000 baht on, come to find out that money's gone. It's obsolete. But it was really embarrassing, and it was shocking because I wasn't aware of that. So I had to come here where you can actually spend baht. You can use your credit card, and you don't have to worry about your money disappearing, you know, out of nowhere within 30 days. And I asked the clerk about it, but she didn't want to be filmed. They didn't want to be taped because, you know, that's kind of scandalous, and they don't want to. They definitely don't want to be on video doing something scandalous, you know. But nevertheless, you know, it's all good. But I'm definitely gonna post that video and make people aware of what they're getting themselves into, because unlike this restaurant where you can use baht and you can use credit card where your money doesn't disappear, they have sections over here in the restaurant where if you put money on this card, it disappears after 30 days. If you don't use the money that you put on that card, it just evaporates, you know. And they don't tell you that when you're putting the money on this card, but it's a cluster of restaurants that's in on it. You know, like, yeah, you have to use this card. And it's crazy. Like, I've never been in some place where they actually just take your money, just, you know, out of nowhere, just boom, it just disappears. I was shocked. But anyway, back to eating healthy as much as possible, you know, living a healthy life, extending your life as long as possible to be healthy. I just recently came and got a check. I had a checkup. I do them as often as possible, just to get checked for like diabetes, any signs of cancer, any signs of colon cancer, or the other thing that a lot of prostate cancer. A lot of men, you know, suffer from that. So I get checked regularly, and thank God, you know, no symptoms or anything has come up. My kidneys are good, no diabetes. But I watch what I eat. I exercise as often as possible. And you know, before I didn't do all that, you know, I would eat a lot of junk food, and so I had gained a lot of weight. And then at one point I was diagnosed as diabetic, and you know, they was like telling me that, you know, and it was, you know, that's the time. I mean, this was about 5 or 6 years ago when I was diagnosed with that. But that's, you know, during the time I was drinking, you know, I was doing a lot of things that was harmful to my body. But I stopped all of that, and drink a lot of water now, and go for walks, and really, you know, eat a lot of plants now, you know, a lot of vegetables. So a lot of things that my grandfather and my father, you know, they didn't really do. They didn't eat a lot of vegetables, you know, a lot of fried foods, stuff that may taste good at the time, but in the long run is really bad for your health. So I'm just advising anybody, you know, I'm not telling you how to live your life. You ain't got to do this, but I'm just saying, just as a precaution, you know, it's something that you may want to consider if you plan to be around and not have to suffer from things that you can control. Like, you can control diabetes, you can control hypertension, you know, just by controlling your diet, watching what you put inside your body, you know, this temple, you know, because you only get one that I know of. I've never met anybody that have passed on to the afterlife and came back and told me how it was, you know, so I assume that you only get one shot, right? So make it the best shot, you know. Like I said, I'm at this spot called the Salad Factory, and that's all they make is like, well, not all they make, but they make a lot of salads and a lot of healthy foods. So, you know, that works with what I'm about. So I come here as often as possible, or I make my own salads, you know, kale salad, spinach salad, a lot of greens. I try to eat as much green leaves as possible every day on a daily basis. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna dive into my salad. This is a kale salad with sweet potatoes. I got sweet potatoes, I got chopped up beets, I got kiwi, yeah, so I got protein and fiber all mixed in one. Then, you know, I gotta have me some meat. Yeah, so, and definitely gotta have my fruit of the day, these mixed berries. Really good. And the one thing I like about that mixed berry is they don't use that processed sugar. Actually, cane sugar from the sugar cane. They actually show you when they grinding it up. It's from the actual sugar cane. Tastes totally different from the processed sugar. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I hope this message was helpful to someone that may be suffering from diabetes, or, you know, just any sort of chronic disease due to your diet. Change your diet up. Eat as much plants as possible. I'm not telling you to go straight vegan, but try to get as much plants in your body as possible. Like I said, I was just recently checked up. No diabetes, no hypertension, you know what I'm saying? No high cholesterol, kidneys good, heart good, it's all good. And I'm telling you, a lot of that has to do with the fact that I changed my diet. I really changed my diet. I had to switch it up, and eat more plants. Eat more plants. Have a more plant-based diet. And You know, it's a lifestyle. It's not just something that I do occasionally. I do it every day. I make sure I get plants inside me every day, you know, and it's been paying off. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. I know I said that before and I went an extra 2 minutes talking, but I just try to encourage that, a healthy lifestyle. So from the Hilderbrand channel, straight to you. Thanks for your time. I hope it's helpful. Hope you find this inspiring. Peace. Until the next video. All right.